have to find the area of this figure. As you can see in this figure, we have how many rectangles? If I draw a line here, then it is the first rectangle. If I draw a line here, then it is the second rectangle. If I draw a line here, it is the third rectangle. If I draw a line here, it is fourth rectangle. And inside this part is remaining. In this you can see this all four sides are equal. So inner is the square, number 5 is the square, and we have to find the area of first 1, 2, 3, 4 rectangles and the 5th square. And then we will add all the areas to find the area of this complete figure. Now let's start. Start from the first figure. Area of first rectangle. The formula is length multiplied by breadth. Here the length is 4, it is given, and the breadth is 1. So 4 multiplied by 1 centimeter, it will be 4 centimeter square. The unit of area is centimeter square. Now we can find the area of second rectangle. Again the length is 4 and breadth is, it is not given, but we can see from here this side is equal to this side. So if this is 1, it will also be 1. So 4 multiplied by 1, it will be 4 centimeter square. We can directly write here area of second rectangle is 4 multiplied by 1, that is 4 centimeter square. Now let's find the area of third rectangle. It is again length multiplied by breadth. Here length is given 4 but breadth is not given. So we can see this is equal to this. So if this is 1, it will also be 1 centimeter. So 4 multiplied by 1, it is also 4 centimeter square. Now let's find the area of fourth rectangle. Here length is not given but breadth is given 1. This. All the lengths are equal. As you can see, these are all are similar. So if this is 4, it will also be 4. 4 multiplied by 1, it is again 4 centimeter square. Now last, this square is left and we have to find the area of 5th square. And what is the area of a square? It is side multiplied by side. If I see any side, if I take any side, this is equal to this, this is equal to this, this is equal to this, and this is equal to this. So these all sides are 1 centimeter only, and 1 multiplied by 1 will be 1 centimeter square. Now if we have to find the area of the complete figure, what we have to do? Area of first rectangle plus second plus third plus fourth rectangle plus 5th square. We have to add all this. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. It will be 4 plus 4, 8, 12, 16 and 1, 17 centimeter square. This is our answer.